3, 2, 1.
In 2005, Michelle Kwan won her 9th U.S. title, tying the record set by what other American female skater? The answer is B. Maribel Vinson-Owen. What is the term for a group of works by the same artist? The answer is B. Corpus. A salvage yard contains a mixture of iron, glass, aluminum, and plastic. Which property of iron does the salvage yard take advantage of when separating the iron from the rest of the materials? The answer is A. Magnetic. Which kitchen tool is used to beat eggs or cream? The answer is A. Egg beater. According to the last chapters of Exodus, what was the tabernacle which was built after the Israelites passed safely the Red Sea with God's help? The answer is C. A portable place of worship. What item of clothing is traditionally worn on a bride's head during a Hindu wedding? The answer is C. Mangalsutra. Kathmandu is the capital city of which country? The answer is B. Nepal. Iowa is named after the local Native American Iowa people. What is the state's nickname? The answer is D. The Hawkeye State. Which flower is known as Bluebell of Florida? The answer is D. Crocus. What year saw the release of National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation on the big screen? The answer is B. 1989. What type of clothing is Ann Cole is known for designing? The answer is C. Swimwear. Which DNA pair is a codon for the amino acid leucine? The answer is C. CTG. The Great Wall of China is located in which sea? The answer is D. Black Sea. Which furniture item is traditionally used for writing and reading? The answer is A. Desk. Who wrote Jane Eyre? The answer is A. Charlotte Brontë. Dustin Hoffman won his second Academy Award for his role in Rain Man. From what developmental disorder did Hoffman's character suffer? The answer is B. Autism. In stars like our Sun, hydrogen atoms join together to create what? The answer is A. Helium atom. Who invented the transistor? The answer is A. John Bardeen. What is the name of Jake Ryan's girlfriend in the movie 16 Candles? The answer is D. Caroline Mulford. What is the horse of Zeus called? The answer is C. Bucephalus. Which TV show features a group of survivalists in Oregon? The answer is C. Lost. Which of the following game series featured the most Super Smash Bros. Melee characters? The answer is B. Mario. In what year was the World Series first broadcast on radio? The answer is D. 1922. Which theory suggests that our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors are determined by our environment? The answer is B. Cognitive psychology. What can you catch but not throw that takes up water but never gets wet? The answer is A. A net. In what Asian country did the recipe for the miso soup originate? The answer is B. Japan. I am larger than China by a small margin, yet I have fewer people. Who am I? The answer is D. Canada. Which prefix means together? The answer is B. Co. What are the names of Roland's mother and father in the Dark Tower series? The answer is B. Gabrielle and Stephen. What determines how long the moon takes to complete one cycle of phases? The answer is B. The period of revolution of the moon around Earth. What dessert is made with a sweet dough filled with fruit, such as apples or cherries? The answer is A. Pie. What character does Bayonne Knowles portray in the 2006 movie Dreamgirls? The answer is D. Dina Jones. How old is Brian on the animated show Family Guy?
The answer is B. 7.
Of what kind is the coordination between the clauses in the sentence you should neither ask him for money nor accept it if he offers? The answer is B. Alternation. Which instrument produces a soft, flute-like sound? The answer is A. Flute. Which tree has a trunk that can reach over 100 feet tall? The answer is C. Sequoia. Which book contains the character Marcel? The answer is C. Remembrance of Things Past. Which ocean zone is the narrow strip along a coastline that is covered by water at high tide and exposed to air at low tide? The answer is C. Intertidal zone. Plants store energy in what form? The answer is C. Chemical. Which eclectic pro-marijuana actor was born on July 23, 1961? The answer is B. Woody Harrelson. How many naturally occurring elements are known on Earth? The answer is A. 90. Which of the following is the brightest star in the winter night sky of the Northern Hemisphere? The answer is A. Sirius. What process does photosynthesis provide energy for? The answer is D. DNA replication. While married to Prince Charles, Diana, Princess of Wales, had an affair with James Hewitt. What was his profession? The answer is B. Her writing instructor. Which city hosted the first Olympic Games? The answer is A. Rome. Which process involves the breakdown of food into simpler substances in the body? The answer is C. Digestion. Which two forces are likely the cause of canyons? The answer is C. Water plus gravity. In the Legend of Zelda series of games, Link has not worn a tunic in what color? The answer is A. Yellow. In War and Peace, who is the main character? The answer is C. Andrei Bolkonsky. Which of these substances is correctly identified as a mineral?